KashKick support response times can vary depending on the issue, the information you provide, and the current support workload. By the end, you'll know what affects KashKick support response times, how to contact support correctly, and what details can help you get a faster resolution. The first thing to understand is that not every support request is handled the same way. A simple account question may require less investigation than a missing reward or offer tracking problem. If your issue involves a completed task that was not credited, include the important details in your first message. Add the offer name, the steps you completed, the date you finished the requirement, and any screenshots showing your progress. Clear information reduces the need for extra messages. A support ticket with missing details can take longer because the team may need to ask follow-up questions before reviewing the problem. The second section is choosing the right support method. Use the official KashKick support option available through your account or platform. Sending the request through the correct channel helps make sure it reaches the right team. Before submitting a ticket, check your account details and describe the problem clearly. Explain what happened, what you expected to happen, and what result you received instead. Avoid sending multiple tickets for the same issue. Creating several requests about one problem can make communication more difficult, because support may need to review duplicate information. The third section is what to do while waiting. Check your email and account notifications for updates. Support replies may include requests for additional information, and responding quickly helps continue the review process. Keep records of your activity if the issue involves rewards. Screenshots, offer details, and completion information can help explain the situation. If your question is about a general feature, check available help information first. Many common questions can be answered without waiting for a support response. To summarize, KashKick support response time depends on the type of problem, the details included in your request, and how clearly you explain the issue. Provide complete information, use the correct support channel, and avoid duplicate tickets. Your next step is to prepare your account details, screenshots, and offer information before contacting support. If this guide helped you understand KashKick support, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.